Hey everyone. So I was given these items by a coworker and I'm making moon tea. She gave me 2 bags of tea, the Rosy Mood, uplifting and supports good mood. It has Damiana and butterfly pea flower. I think that's how you say it. It's a herbal organic tea. So I'm going to put, and I have a gallon-sized mason jar. I'm going to drop both tea bags in here because I'm going to make a full gallon by the time I'm done. So there's both tea bags. And then I also have, excuse me, a little baggie with 3 bay leaves, a little saffron, and clove. And those are getting dumped in there. And I have warm water in the jar, and it's only about to here. So that's all you do, and then you set it. Oops, I forgot a piece of saffron. Where's that? She said that was about $1 worth of saffron. I guess it's not cheap. Sorry. Bumping the camera. I have this on my extendable tripod. It's not working. So what I'm going to do is let this steep. I have put a plastic lid on it, not metal. I'm going to let this steep, and then tonight the planets are aligning. This is called moon tea. All I'm going to do is put the lid on and let this steep. I'm actually going to set this outside in the heat and let it steep for a little while, and then tonight I will be putting this out in the moonlight, and it's going to all write on there what it's for. So just wanted to show y'all what I was doing. Hope everyone is having a blessed day and everyone's happy and prosperous. Yeah, all that. I will catch y'all later on the next one. New videos coming out. Be blessed. Bye.